Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Sorry about that. I'm here with some royal mail, and it is from Miss Janet Nash. I will flip it over so the addresses don't show. And look at how she decorated the back. That'll be put in a journal that I'm making. Let me see how I can open this. She's got it sealed real tight all the way around. So let me do this a little and see if I just trim a little piece there and then put my letter opener in where I cut the opening. Well, apparently it's not going to work that way. We'll have to trim a little more. I'm just going to go straight across. Hopefully I don't cut anything. So we're going to open this up, and it didn't open up all the way, so I'm going to take the letter opener and unseal it, and here's what we have. Let me pull it, and that's it. So here we have a strip of trim. Ooh, that's pretty. See, I'm making a friendship journal, and when I get things from my friends, I will put, like Miss Janet sent the royal mail, I'll put those stamps with it, and then I'll take the envelope here and make it her page so I can put all her stuff on it. Okay, and here's some, looks like old pattern paper or some coffee dyed paper with some washi tape and some little birdies and a little bit of her DNA. Never mind that. Oh, it is washi tape. Okay. And I don't know what, this is little fishy washi tape, and this has white circles on it. And I think it's on both sides. Yes, it is. I'm going to put that right here. Then we have this here, 15, 17 inch. It's an old Dex card. So we're going to take that and put that over here. Let's put all this stuff to the side. We have a magazine, a butterfly that came out of a magazine. We have this beautiful embroidered flower applique. I like the lavender in it. Then we have, oh, look at this. She sent me a whole bunch of stamps from where she's at. Thank you for those. I will surely use those. And she made a little, Miss Janet, I think I'm going to put this in my friendship book. She made a little page for me. It has a tuck spot here. Here's another stamp. And here's a pull-out tab with a little card. And it's a magazine page with a little teapot. It says, good things take time. Yes, they do. And the pocket here is, page pocket is made out of magazine paper. She's got 3 little dots of glitter here, 3 candles. It looks like a little candle up here, or a light. But I like this. Janet Nash, 121. So she made this in January. And then I have a piece of sorry. Oh, with some music fabric in it. Tea or coffee dyed fabric, music fabric. And that's that. So, Miss Janet Nash, I would like to thank you for this great surprise here. And I will give y'all an update on my Around the World Friendship journal that I'm making. So, if y'all would like to send something to put into the journal, it'd be greatly appreciated. My address will be down below, or y'all can email me at Vanessa Bork, that's VANESSA the number 2 at gmail.com. I will also put my address going across here in the video. Okay? Well, my email address, that is. I want to thank you all for watching. Please be crafty, stay healthy, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.